Hello and welcome to our channel. This is the first video in our Asian travel series, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This is our experience in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We decided to go to Kuala Lumpur as it is a visa-free destination with direct flights from India. We had purchased extra luggage allowance from the AirAsia website. Make sure to apply for a digital arrival card at least 3 days before your date of departure. It is compulsory and will be checked at your boarding and also at your immigration in Malaysia. We reached the airport well in advance to avoid missing the flight due to extremely long lines at the airport. We had so little legroom and the uncles in front of us had pushed back their seats, causing us to suffer through most of the flight. Point to notice, the airlines does not provide drinking water and everything is chargeable, so make sure to drink up some water before boarding the flights. We booked the tickets through AirAsia's official website. Ticket cost is 7k per person, coming up to 11k per person. We pre-booked our meals. We got the peri-peri chicken with jollof rice and nasi lemak. It was mentioned as vegetarian. Note that some foreign countries classify eggs and sometimes chicken as vegetarian category. The taste was okay, but the quantity was less. And we didn't get any water and they were asking for a few ringgit for a glass of water. Taste wise, I would rate it as 7 out of 10 for the grilled chicken and the rice, and maybe 7.5 for the nasi lemak. Nasi lemak is a dish originating from Malay cuisine and is commonly known as the national dish of Malaysia. That's why we wanted to try it. It is usually served with coconut rice. It's morning and we are preparing to land in Malaysia. You are greeted by acres and acres of palm trees. Enjoy the landing montage. After landing, you can connect to the airport Wi-Fi and they don't require any OTPs like they do in India. We didn't get a SIM card as you have Wi-Fi at almost every major public space. Our pickup from the airport had to wait because of the massive lines at the immigration counter in KL. Most of them were Indian visiting Malaysia. This is our hotel room. We will make a detailed video about our hotel stay in the next video. It was overall a very pleasant stay with a great view from the windows. The first location we reached was Tian Hou Chinese Temple. The Tian Hou Temple is a 6-tiered temple of Chinese sea goddess Matsu. The temple was built by Hainanese living in Malaysia and was officially opened in 1989. The front entrance of the temple features a multi-arched gateway with red pillars, the color symbolic of prosperity and good fortune. Souvenir stalls and a canteen are found at the first level. The blue color building that you see in the distance is Merdeka 118, and this is the second tallest building in the world.
Welcome to Little India.
This is Brickfields, or popularly known as Little India of Malaysia. It can be easily accessed using KL monorail, MRT and rapid KL bus. Brickfields Little India is famous for its Indian food, especially Tamil, and many Indian shops. The food is usually served on a banana leaf and is a must try. We had our lunch from one of the restaurants in Little India, and we had the option to choose from a variety of sides. And we got the food served on a traditional banana leaf. Next we went to Istana Negara. In English, it is known as the National Palace. As you have guessed, it is the official residence of King of Malaysia. The palace is built in an area of 97 acres and has 22 domes in total. original building of Central Market of Kuala Lumpur was built in 1888 by the British. The current Art Deco style building was completed in 1937. It's a pleasant space to shop for souvenirs and to enjoy the architecture. If you're short of time, I would advise you to skip this place. Place which should be on your list is Jalan Petaling, the Petaling street or the Chinese market of Kuala Lumpur. Place is famous for shopping. You might find many first copies, and haggling is also quite common here. You will also find many street food options. We opted for this roasted chestnut. If you're visiting Malaysia, this place must be on top of your list. Sadly, on the day when we went, it was raining and the skybox and skydeck were closed for observation. We were allowed to see from the observation deck as the upper floors were closed due to rain, and the views from here were spectacular. Enjoy the view as the sun goes down and the lights of the Malaysian skyline slowly become brighter and brighter. Even though Kuala Lumpur is such a big metropolitan city, you can see that it's mostly green. That is the most iconic Twin Towers or Petronas Towers of Malaysia. At the end of the video, we have a special drone montage of the Petronas Towers and KL Tower. Make sure to watch that. This is the end of day 1 of Kuala Lumpur tour. We're going back to the hotel and we'll meet you on the second day. Welcome to day 2. This was our breakfast buffet at the hotel where we were staying. Make sure to hydrate yourself before you head out on a hot day outside. Batu Caves is a hill with a series of limestone caves in Selangor, Malaysia. It is located 13 kilometers away from the capital, Kuala Lumpur. There's a Murugan statue which is 43 meters in height and is one of the largest Murugan statues in the world. Okay. One needs to climb 272 concrete steps to reach the top of the hill and to access the caves. After you climb the 272 steps, this is the view from the top. And this is also the entrance to the caves with limestone formations which are more than 400 years old. There are also few shops at the top of the stairs from where you can buy refreshments like water or juice if you are feeling a little tired after climbing all those stairs. It is truly spectacular to look at the old limestone formations, and the place has a relaxing vibe to it. Our next destination is Genting Highlands. Genting Highlands is a hill station located on the peak of Mount Ulu Kali in central peninsular Malaysia at 1800 meters of elevation. There are resorts, amusement park, a mall and casinos at the top. Our hotel was right next to the Petronas Towers, so we decided to take a walk. The sidewalks are well made and maintained, and there are also many pedestrian sky bridges so you can safely cross the roads. And walking also gives you a much better idea of the city, and you can explore many more spots which you usually will miss if you're driving past it. Enjoy some drone shots, which were shot before the new regulations kicked in from 2025. The Petronas Towers is the most iconic attraction of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This was the world's tallest tower from 1998 till 2004. This building has a total of 88 floors with 5 underground floors as well. You can see the beautiful KL Tower lit up in all its grandeur. Just opposite to the Petronas Towers, we decided to have our dinner from NZ Curry House. The food was really tasty and was also pocket friendly. We ordered chicken biryani with gravy chicken and some with fried chicken and also a nasi lemak. For all this food we were charged only 80 Malaysian ringgit, and 1 Malaysian ringgit is 19 rupees, so it comes up to 1500 rupees, which is not bad. Next we went to this street food park. Each truck had different street food, but we really wanted to try the boba tea in Malaysia, so we went for it. This place is just 1 minute walk from the Petronas Towers area, and there is also a 7-Eleven on the way. In case if you need a SIM card, it is best to buy it from 7-Eleven, where you can get it for a very cheap price, and you can also try the KL store, which is their local shopping chain, which is similar to 7-Eleven.
Let me go to the drinks.
We found the boba tea truck. From this food truck park, you also can see the Petronas Towers, and it was a glorious sight to sip on the boba tea and to look at the Petronas Towers. Time to vacate the hotel. Next, we're going to Singapore. In our next video, we'll be showing you a detailed video of the hotel room, the cost planning, and also how we purchased a DJI drone from Malaysia. See you in the next video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't miss the outro drone shots, the end.